Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to perform this operation on your own browser. So let's open it, and in my case we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Sometimes you will have this dot with an arrow inside it. It means that you need to update the browser. However, here we have to tap on the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. So if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. You can also remove some advanced browsing history just by tapping on clear browsing data at the top. Here we've got basic options, so the browsing history, so the list which we just had displayed, the cookie sensor data and cached images and files. We can also tap on advanced, and here we've got those options, so saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days, or even all time. It's up to you. Then let's tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.